Okay, welcome to 2.2 of which question paper is this? NSC. May, June, yes, 2022. Bongiwe has twins, Sandile and Sakile, who attend a private school. So two of her kids go to school in the same grade. The total fees payable per child for the school year, January to November, is as follows. Okay, the school fees are paid in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. They don't pay in December. Okay, charges for aftercare are 7,700 Rand. Okay, aftercare is it means that they're going to take care of the child after school per school year, or 700 Rand monthly. So if you expect your child to be taken care of after school, then that's the money. The first child school fee is 2,793 Rands per month. So now the actual school fees, the day school fee, is 2,793 Rand per month. Or you can pay the whole thing, which is 30,723 Rand per school year. Now remember, this is only payable from January to November. So this is school fees for January to November. The first child, a 10% discount on school fees is given to a second child. So if you have two children, you pay full price for the first child, and then you're given a discount for the second child, right? A further 7.5% discount is given if school fees are paid in full by 31 January. The monthly transport cost is 929 Rand. Okay, so further 7.5% discount. Okay, so you bring two children in. The first child, you're going to pay 30,723 Rand. You pay the whole amount of money. And then that 30,723 Rands, if you pay it in the first month before 31st January, they're going to give you a 7.5% discount. If you have two children, the second child is going to get two discounts. First of all, because they are the second child, they're going to get 10% discount. So that 30,000 Rand is going to be less by 10%. And then if you also pay all of that by 31st January, they're going to give you another 7.5% discount, right? Yay. Okay, so 2.2.1. Calculate the total transport cost for the twins for a full school year. Okay, that's all they want. They just want the total transport cost. Right, so we're going to go ahead here. They didn't say anything about the transport, because they said the total fees payable per child for the school year from January to November is as follows, right? So we're going to assume that the children go from January to November to school. They don't go to school in December, and therefore the transport is also going to be for 11 months and not 12. So let's go. Question 2. This is the May-June question paper for 2022. This is paper 1, and therefore we're going to do 2.2. Okay, 2.2, we're just calculating the transport, and we're going to say transport for the year is, they pay 929 Rand per month, and we're going to multiply this by 12 to get the transport for by 11. Remember, they said January to November, so we're going to do 11 to get the transport for one child. And then we'll get 929 times 11. We get 10,219 Rand. Now she has twins, so there's two of them. Triplets is 3, twins is 2. 219 times 2, and therefore that says 20,438 Rand is the money that she's going to pay. Now remember, there's no discount on the transport. It doesn't say anything about discount on the transport. Perfectly done. Okay, so Bongiwe intends on paying the school fees in full on 30 January. Okay, so she's going to pay in time. Therefore, she's going to receive that 7.5% discount, right? Okay, so let's start from the beginning. The first, and it doesn't say anything about aftercare here, so we're not going to focus on the aftercare. Determine the total amount of money Bongiwe will spend in one school year for the twins to attend the private school, including aftercare and transport. Okay, everything. She's taken the whole package. So we need to know how much is going to be her whole entire money, including everything. She's taken everything. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, we're going to start from the beginning and say we're going to do charges for aftercare are 7,700 rand per school year, or 700 monthly. Okay, so she's paying 7,700 rand, and this does not have a discount. So let's calculate the aftercare first. So on 2.2.2, we're going to do aftercare. And the aftercare is equal to 7,700. This is for the whole year. And then there's 2 kids, which means this one is going to be 7,700 times 2. That's 15,400, right? Okay, we've got the aftercare. 15,400 is the aftercare. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try and find out now how much is the school fees for each child, for both children. Okay, so she's going to pay 30,723, right? So now we're going to calculate the school fees. Okay, here's what's going to happen with the school fees. They said there that 30,723 per school year. If you pay in time, you get 7.5% discount. If you have 2 children, the second child will get, first of all, we have the charges for aftercare, which is 7,700 per school year, and that is there's no discount for the aftercare. So we're going to say, so what we're going to say here is going to say aftercare. I'm going to calculate everything individually. Aftercare is, you don't have to, but I'm just making it easy for myself. 7,700. Twins means 2, so I'm going to multiply that by 2, and I'm going to get 7,700 multiplied by 2 is 15,400 rands. So that's aftercare, right? And then I'm going to go with the first child school fees. First child is equal to 30,723 rand, and then that's it. We pay in full. Then we have the second child, who's going to pay a discounted amount by 10%. So let's find that the child's supposed to pay 30,723. Then we're going to find out how much is 10%. Times 10 divided by 100. 30,723 times 10 divided by 100, and we get 3,072 rands and 30 cents. So that's the discount. So the second child is actually going to pay is equal to, then we're going to say 30,000 rand, 723 rands, minus the discount, which is 3,072 rands and 30 cents, and then we're going to get 27,650 rands and 70 cents, right? And then the twins are going to pay, the first twin is paying 30,723 plus the 27,650 rands and 70 cents, and that is 58,373 rands and 70 cents, right? And then now we're saying here, they then said, if you pay this money early, we'll give you a 7.5% discount. So we're going to calculate the 7.5% discount here. 58,373 rands and 70 cents multiplied by 7.5%, and that is 4378.03. Okay. 53,994, the money with 0.97. That's the money where one twin is paying full and another is paying a discounted amount of 10%. And then if you add those two together and then calculate the second discount, which is 7.5%, just because they're going to pay the total money early. Okay, and then plus the 15,400 rand, which is for aftercare. And the money for transport that we calculated in number one, which is 20,438. And the answer is 89,832 rand and 97 cents. Oh yeah, that was long.